Got a cough or the flu? Feeling miserable? Let's talk about how to find relief fast. Start with warm liquids, like honey tea or ginger tea. They soothe your throat and help fight inflammation. Keep warm, especially around your neck and chest. A warm scarf can help relax those muscles and ease the discomfort. Warm compresses on your chest can loosen up mucus and relieve chest congestion, making breathing easier. Natural remedies like honey, lemon, or even ginger syrup can calm that irritating cough and soothe your throat. But if your symptoms last more than a week, or if you have trouble breathing, it's time to consult a doctor. Stay hydrated, stay cozy, and you'll feel better soon.